Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. He was popularly known as Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was a social reformer, economist, political leader, and social reformer. Uh, he was he was the chairperson of drafting committee of our Indian Constitution. He was the first law minister of our country. He was the chief architect of our Indian Constitution. For his higher studies, he went to Cambridge University, which is in London, and Columbia University, which is in America. At his lifetime, he given 527 speeches. He fought for women and Dalit rights. Dalit rights. At his end of his life, he converted into Buddhist. In the in the in the preparation of Indian Constitution, he played a key role. He played a key role. He was he was he was the multi-talented person. He was well in 11 languages. He at his childhood he faced a lot of discriminations. It is the main message of message of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is to this society is educate, agitate, and organize. He was died on 6th December 1956. In 1990, for his work in the Indian government, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar got Bharata Ratna, Indian Civil Award. So yeah, he was not dead. He was in our hearts. We should inspire from him. Thank you for giving this opportunity, NTV. Thank you. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.